everyone, welcome to my channel and Defination. And I'm here with you with a new class. मैंने कल आपको कुछ बताया था, याद है? आज उसी विषय में हम बात करेंगे. We are learning about the definite article the, and there is several rules to use in the sentence. Definite article के कई सारे नियम हैं जो हम वाक्य में प्रयोग करते हैं. और इतना ही नहीं, द सेम वर्ड दी, लेकिन हम उसको डिफरेंटली उच्चारण भी करते हैं. मैंने कल इसी बारे में आपको बताया था. I shall discuss you the different pronunciation of the same word the and the. कहाँ कहाँ पर ये उच्चारण होता है, चलो जानते हैं. यहाँ पर मैंने लिखा है द जब हम कहते हैं ये क्रिएट करता है कंसोनेंटल साउंड, बिकॉज the very word, the very first letter represents d is a consonantal letter. And here I have written university. You can ask me, you also a vowel letter? No, you is a vowel letter, all right, but it creates the sound u, which itself is a consonantal letter. And in such cases, when we talk about university, the university is wrong, it is the university. Come to the next word. Here I have written elephant. Elephant represents the first letter E, also a vowel letter. And pronounced as A, the first vowel of the first letter even of the English alphabet, and creates a vowel sound. That is why we pronounce this word the elephant. Here I have written the the same spelling TH, but to mention the pronunciation I have written here the TH. इसका एक अलग मीनिंग भी है. In ancient English we use the to represent, to apply you. When we mentioning the person in front of us, we use thee. We thank thee. Oh God, we thank thee. हे ईश्वर, हम आपका आभार व्यक्त करते हैं. In such cases also we use thee. It is in ancient English. It is not a part of our discussion. The part of our discussion it is article, definite article. Now I hope you might have understood the difference pronunciation of the and the. Next come to rule 5. It is another thing. No article is used before any material noun except some exceptional cases. कुछ exceptional cases के अलावा किसी material noun से पहले हमें दी लिखना जरूरी नहीं. डेफिनेट आर्टिकल का होना जरूरी नहीं है. जब कोई मटेरियल नाउन, कोई भौतिक पदार्थ किसी और चीज के बारे में स्पेसिफाई करता हो तो उस जगह हम दी का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. सी दी वाटर इन द बॉटल इज कोल्ड. ये बॉटल में जो पानी रखा हुआ है ना, ये ठंडा है. तो यहाँ पर इंपोर्टेंस हमने दिया किसको? बॉटल को. दी वाटर in the bottle is cold. And in such cases we use the definite article water, definite article the to mention water that is in the bottle. In next sentence, the gold used in this jewelry is of high quality. कोई अलंकार को हमने देखा और हमें लगा कि ये जो शायद वो नेकलेस हो, रिंग हो, व्हाटएवर जो भी हो, बहुत इसके इस्तेमाल किया हुआ जो सोना है बिल्कुल खराब सोना है. लेकिन हमारा डिस्कशन का मटेरियल कौन है, डिस्कशन का टॉपिक कौन है? द ज्वेलरी. द ज्वेलरी is of high, the gold used in the jewelry is of high quality. So here, before mentioning gold, we use the definite article, because to specify the particular material, that is used in the jewelry, and in such cases we use the before this material noun. But the same sentence I have written here. Water is essential for life. See, any article is there? No need. Gold is a precious metal. Any article is there? It has no need. Come to rule number 6. In some special case, when we talk about man, जब हम मनुष्य के बारे में बात करते हैं, तो some special cases में मनुष्य को जब हम किसी वाक्य में प्रयोग करते हैं तो वहां डेफिनेट आर्टिकल का जरूरी बिल्कुल नहीं है. जैसे मैन, जब when man represents the entire human race, एक सेंटेंस है जैसे मैन इज मोटल, हम आए हैं एक दिन, जाएंगे एक दिन, सारे मनुष्य जो है वो मनुष्य है. मैन इज मोटल, नो आर्टिकल इज there, no need of any article, any definite article to mention the sentence, to mention the particular noun. Here all men are mortal, the plural form of this same sentence, man is mortal, all men are mortal. Now I hope you understand the usage of definite article and the different pronunciation of the and the, and where we are having to use the definite article, and what are the nouns where there is no need of to mention the definite article. I hope you might have understood, and this much in this class for today, and I am having some questions for you, and you are having to answer me in the comment box. Remember it. You must answer in the comment box so that I know that you are attending my class. And if you like this video, then give your like as a memento, share my channel, subscribe my channel. Thank you all. Note it down. My today's question. Mention two other nouns before we pronounce they, and two nouns before we pronounce they means THW. This is the first question. Next question. Write two sentences on any material noun before which the is not used. Understood? And I hope you will answer in the comment box. And as I told you, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you all.